Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stop visitor post on your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page, not your Facebook account. You have to click on this account option, which is top right corner profile icon. Then you will find here your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on your Facebook page name. Okay. Then you have to click on this Facebook page name again, which is top left corner, and then you'll find here this three dot icon. Click on this three dot icon, and then you can see here page and tagging settings. Click on this. Now you can see here who can post on your Facebook page. You can see here that everyone. You have to click on this and make sure you are choosing this one, only me. Okay, so after that no one can, or no any visitor cannot post in your Facebook page. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.